The beginning, shrouded in mystery, unknown. A time before the internet, before laptops hummed in quiet coffee shops. A time when work meant rigid structures, suffocating offices, but something was stirring, whispers in the shadows, a longing for something more. Freedom, independence, control. These pioneers, these freelancers, operated in the shadows, their work a secret pact between client and contractor, word of mouth their only advertisement. They were the anomaly, the exception, the unseen force in a world that valued conformity. In the early days, they faced uncertainty, doubt and fear. Every project was a gamble, every client a potential risk. Yet they persevered, driven by a vision of a different kind of work. And slowly, the whispers grew louder, the shadows began to fade. In the early days, freelancers like Jane Doe, a writer, would meet clients in dimly lit cafes, exchanging manuscripts and ideas over cups of coffee. John Smith, a graphic designer, would work late into the night, creating designs by the light of a single lamp, his only companion the hum of his typewriter. These early freelancers often received payment in cash, handed over in envelopes during secretive meetings. Rejection was common, but so was determination. They pushed forward, driven by a vision of a different kind of work. And slowly, the whispers grew louder, the shadows began to fade. The digital age dawned. Computers became more powerful, more personal. Smartphones and tablets brought computing to our fingertips. The internet, a web of connections, began to weave its way across the globe. Satellites and fiber optics revolutionized communication. For freelancers, it was a beacon, a lifeline. Co-working spaces and coffee shops became their new offices. No longer confined by geography, they could connect with clients across continents. Translation software and online collaboration tools broke down language barriers. The tools of their trade evolved. Word processors replaced typewriters, emails replaced letters, cloud storage allowed access to files from anywhere. The digital world, once a novelty, became their office, their marketplace. Project management software streamlined their workflows. A new breed of freelancer emerged, emboldened by technology, hungry for opportunity. Social media and online portfolios became essential tools. The digital age brought new platforms, new ways to find work. Freelance platforms connected them with clients worldwide. Virtual conferences and online networking became the norm. Webinars and forums provided new learning opportunities. Freelancers juggled multiple projects, balancing work and life in a digital world. Time management apps helped them stay organized. Success stories emerged, inspiring others to join the freelance revolution. Social media amplified their achievements. The shift was seismic. The old order, the traditional workplace, began to crumble. Companies once hesitant started to see the advantages of a flexible workforce. Freelancers, once a whisper in the shadows, were now a chorus, their voices growing louder, more insistent. The great unchaining had begun. Millions, disillusioned with the corporate grind, broke free from their cubicles. They traded their commutes for the comfort of their homes, their rigid schedules for the flexibility of freelancing. The world watched in awe as a new era of work emerged. Digital nomads began to thrive, working from anywhere in the world. Collaboration tools evolved, making remote teamwork seamless and efficient. Success stories of freelancers inspired many to take the leap. The workforce became more diverse and inclusive, breaking geographical barriers. Work-life balance improved as people found time for both work and personal life. Online communities and support groups flourished, creating a sense of belonging. The future of work was redefined, driven by innovation and technology. Personal stories of triumph emerged, like Sarah, who left her 9-to-5 to become a successful freelance graphic designer, earning double her previous salary. Statistics showed a 22% increase in the freelance workforce over the past 5 years, with projections indicating continued growth. The freedom to work from anywhere allowed freelancers to explore the world while maintaining their careers. Global projects became the norm, with diverse teams collaborating across continents. The Great Unchaining was not just a shift in work, but a revolution in how we live and achieve our dreams. The job market will never be the same. Freelancing, once a niche, is now the norm. From writers and designers to developers and marketers, the gig economy touches every industry. The traditional workplace, once a symbol of stability, is now seen by many as a relic of the past. But with this newfound freedom comes uncertainty. The future of work is a mystery, ever evolving, full of both promise and peril. Will freelancers thrive in this new world, or will they be consumed by the very forces that set them free? Only time will tell. As technology advances, new opportunities and challenges will arise. Remote work and digital nomadism will continue to grow, reshaping our understanding of the workplace. Artificial intelligence and virtual reality will redefine how we collaborate and create. Continuous learning and adaptability will be key to staying relevant in this dynamic landscape. Building strong networks and embracing innovation will be essential for success. The future of freelancing is bright, but it requires resilience and vision. Together, we will navigate this ever-changing world, forging new paths and creating a better tomorrow. Experts predict that by 2030, freelancers will make up over half of the workforce. Economists and futurists alike foresee a world where flexibility and autonomy are paramount. Advanced technologies will empower freelancers to work smarter and more efficiently. Collaboration will transcend borders, with diverse teams working together seamlessly. Global conferences and virtual events will become the norm, fostering connections and innovation. The future holds immense potential for those who are prepared to adapt and thrive. Gap 3S. While the future of freelancing shines brightly, today's freelancers face a unique set of challenges and opportunities. Navigating this frontier requires not just skill, but also strategy and resilience. One of the biggest hurdles is maintaining a steady stream of work. Unlike traditional jobs, freelancing often comes with income instability. To counter this, freelancers must build a strong portfolio and network, showcasing their expertise and reliability. Leveraging social media platforms and professional networks can help in finding consistent work and building a personal brand. Time management is another critical aspect. Without the structure of a conventional workplace, it's easy to blur the lines between work and personal life. Successful freelancers often set clear boundaries, creating dedicated workspaces and schedules. Tools like project management software and time tracking apps can be invaluable in staying organized and productive. Financial management is equally crucial. Freelancers need to plan for taxes, healthcare, and retirement, often without the safety nets provided by traditional employment. Setting aside a portion of income for savings and investing in insurance can provide a financial cushion during lean periods. Adapting to new technologies is both a challenge and an opportunity. Staying updated with industry trends and continuously learning new skills can keep freelancers competitive. Online courses, webinars, and workshops offer accessible ways to enhance one's knowledge and expertise. However, the freelance journey is not just about overcoming obstacles. It's also about seizing opportunities. Flexibility allows freelancers to pursue varied projects, explore different industries, and work with diverse teams. This diversity can lead to richer experiences and broader skill sets. Building a supportive community can also be a game changer. Engaging with other freelancers through online forums, local meetups, or co-working spaces can provide valuable insights, collaboration opportunities, and emotional support. In conclusion, while the path of freelancing is fraught with challenges, it is also ripe with opportunities. With the right strategies, tools, and mindset, freelancers can not only survive but thrive in this ever-evolving landscape. The key lies in being proactive, adaptable, and resilient. Embrace the journey, stay connected, and continue to grow. The freelance frontier is vast, and the possibilities are endless.